Hi guys, my name is Daniel and for today we are going to make a volcano eruption experiment. Let's go. Here's what you need. First, you need sodium bicarbonate, citric acid, 2 spoons, 1 syringe, 2 cups, and of course a volcano model and your goggles. First, you put the sodium bicarbonate add the citric acid and add water. It's exploding. And whoa! 3, 2, 1. Holla! It's filling up. Before this video ends, I'm gonna say 3 volcano facts. First, volcanoes are openings of Earth's surface. Second, lava is the liquid that is expelled from the volcano. Third, the largest volcano is not on Earth. It's on Mars and it's called Olympus Mons. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. And click the notification bell for more fun things. Bye! I gotta go now.